All right, we don't come. How your Valentine Day? Hope say you enjoy yourself well. Hope say you go out. Hope say you not be like me, we stay for yourself. See, I don't understand how they do this by voice. Before now, the voice was okay, but
as we call Val.
As I call Val, the voice can't decide to go back.
The spirit of Valentine,
the voice must come back.
Say why you go stay your house, you know, come out. Why?
When she can't finally come out for today, she can't be like Chinko. Now, wow.
But you know, waiting. I just want to know how na Valentine go.
My own day very, very spluffic. You know now.
You go out, right?
Of course.
Oh, nice one. Amaka?
I enjoyed it. I enjoyed myself. I get one very nice date with my bed. So, Amaka, it was beautiful.
Okay.
Just you and your bed.
Me and my bed. Oh, what a beautiful Valentine it was.
On a sideline, the pillow.
Child. No, I just try to think as if I use pillow.
How you take your Valentine?
Well, my own day very, I'll say special. Thank you so much. From Lagos to Abuja.
You must to marry.
I know, funny enough, I like me. I feel it didn't normal to travel with economy because nothing different, except for they go abroad, they have to take visa, but I just feel say they know, and at the same destination where they go, hello, sorry, now the same song go hit us. Only for me to see my ticket now. Business class. I said, okay. And they come out, they all move all there.
How is she, woman?
Because they come pick me for airport. And normally if I go, I just, you know, so I know they're romantic. Instead of no they romantic. Now, so I just come down. They pick me, carry me, go, everything. So, can't get dinner day for the very first time. Sorry, so I didn't talk out for TV, but it was nice.
So she did
I enjoyed myself.
Ladies,
I really
say we're supposed to sit down one day teach this woman how to do romantic.
No.
Yeah, because you know they're normal to
all
me.
of us don't feel be the same thing. Make she did.
Amaka,
we need romance to you.
I just feel saying, you know, they're normal. When I finally see all this, I can say,
we need romance to you, Amaka.
Okay.
All right. I know say you don't hear all our Valentine special.
We have your Valentine.
Very wonderful.
I tell you,
very wonderful.
They look like Shinko. You see that?
I actually
no, you enjoy yourself. If not, you did restful. You did for your face. So you did very
yes. I actually rest very well this Valentine period. So I appreciate the Valentine break.
Okay.
All right. So make we just introduce ourselves because we don't talk about our Valentine special. We don't talk about every. My name is Tori and welcome to Talk today. This beautiful day.
Yes, my name is Tori Betiana Unweli.
And my name now Maka Okudiafo.
My own name now Queen B. The Val never stop for here.
The Val had better stop.
You gotta go continue.
All right, you know, our Mondays, our Mondays now usually our motivational Monday. So we will get motivational quote we will give you this Monday afternoon. And also we get better manners of the day. We get our motivational video of the day. And we also get Waiting Day Hot, where we chook eye, leg, everything inside some stories them of things where they happen for Nigeria and also things where they happen for Bodo Igbo. So time don't reach for us to talk. Me, I am ready to talk, but I don't know if they are ready to talk. The Valentine people, not ready to talk.
You don't tell us to Valentine people.
I'm ready serious.
All right, our first story today, this one concerns Eden Lifestyle CEO and husband to the media personality will be talking Makinwa. Now, he don't come outside, talk some kind of things will make people surprised. He come outside, talk, say, he get one time for in life where he be like bankers, where will I say tomorrow, not day. He be like them, so say he can they sell tickets so that he go they close to bankers. Now, for example, one exclusive chat we do with Pulse TV Live and Missy Molu. This business buff, where he don't live for England, talk say there was once a time when all he be wants not for him to become a banker. He say he can't think say the coolest thing for the world for him to do na bank job. So he can't do it in. He can't got to look for means them where you go dey close to the dream wey you like. Although, imagine at the end of the day, he not turn out to be banker, but later, a few years down the line, he don't come enter inside health expert and even fitness company, now he don't open, but he not turn out to be banker. So now, the reason why we're actually bring this story, because he don't come outside talk say, yes, I don't forget one dream to become banker, but today I not be banker, but I happy for where I did. And on Friday, we dress as the profession where we want to become before we enter presenting job. So I want to know something. You don't ever, as in, then when you want to become the profession where you want, like what we dress on Friday, how you take to take close to that profession? Just like how talking about was when don't come outside talk. How you take
Well, for me, I don't actually do anything today close to the profession where I've been one do, maybe medical doctor. Apart from the fact that I'm in the science class and I read sciences for secondary school before I come find and say no, my calling be that. But when I actually realized, okay, I want to actually enter the media world, I decided, say, after school, first of all, they do ushering jobs. So they go events well and everything when I still did school. Then after school, I can't decide, say, okay, I want to really work for event company. Because as I hustle radio, hustle television, no one click. I can't say, okay, the nearest one I feel say go near, we go favor me in an events job. So I can't do work for events company, where they plan weddings, they do top celebrity weddings. So then I can't see plenty people, all the media people, the MCs, them, any MC will come. Now they I take most of all these MCs because they're my friends. Any MC will come, I go make sure say they attach me to people where they do MC. So I go near them. If they do anything, I go they look them well. Or I go attach myself to the artists, those where they sing well. So I go no say okay, now like this they go, now like this they go. I come and I say this would be normal people. Now this is no hard now. I'll do and last. So really, it's not too hard for me like that. I just make sure say okay, I attach myself to people where they say they don't reach the height where they aspire to grow to, and eventually pay off.
Okay. Well, for me, I go say to they close to my profession from Zaria.
Yeah.
When with a good studio, then I go to ask how I go take talk for radio. Me just feel say okay, you just talk. They go nobody they watch what you they do nobody you just talk so that people because I the day overnight still listen to radio. Then I could just feel say okay how these people they take get what they talk after the other thing and everything goes synchronized together. Everything they happen. So for school I can't get opportunity to get close to one of like the closest person for school. Then Blaze, the presenter himself, they school then. So them be the top guys, the media guys and all that. So now hi, they do them. One day I just say, you know what, I'll kill this my pride. I'll go inside studio. So I just gonna say, they look me, are you sure? Really? Okay. Don't worry, we'll teach you. Just become hanging around the studio. Now so when I come Lagos again, I can say, I know, I don't go change anything, no. That's this same thing because radio now my first love. I can still do radio now there. I still need to myself. So I know still pursue another one when no be waiting I really want. That's why.
Yeah. That's fun.
Yeah, well, as it be so, I never really deviate. I be which grammar go use.
Want to become a celebrity.
I still did the line where I did. Presenter, world greatest
Superstar.
Yeah.
You know, world's greatest presenter. Oh, what's not? Me, I shall come back to the meeting. Okay, when I first start, I be look and say, when I want to reach this place, when I want to start to present, you know, as I tell you, hustle, make sure try to enter radio now. As in, my eye don't always say I want to do
broadcast.
Electronic broadcast, yes.
Okay.
But every time when I apply, you know where they land? Print. I go right again, print. I say, wait, then do print. But all the time, I see they get out from mind, say, one day, I go enter this electronic media. And, oh well, today I'm here. So I know to get that issue, say, okay, I did hustle to find another means. I just keep my eye on top that one. That one, although I branch small enter bank. But I still come back. That's what I did today.
Yeah, we think today now motivational day, and we bring out the story to motivate people where they out there. Now, talking about one was not come outside talk say, in be one become banker. So you can't look for means where you go there close to bankers. Now me, you don't get one time in my life where, okay, after my first love, we be nursing, don't actually not work out well for me. I can't enter mass comm. I can't really love mass communication. I don't get my master's. I do work for a very lovely company where they pay me like mad money. But because of the passion, because I really want broadcasting, I decide to forget the money where they pay me, but I not get passion for, to come the earn peanuts for broadcasting firm. Yeah, that now that the worst thing I don't ever do. And at the end of the day, it pay out for me. Yeah, it pay out for me. Now, some people who are out there, they'll just sit down and say, oh, I want work for oil firm. But they go sit down for house, they not go apply for anything. They not go even get friends where they work for oil company for you to know, okay, when vacancy go day, when vacancy not go day, they'll just sit down for house. But today, they tell you, say, if talking market house and come outside talk, say, see what thing I do, I sell tickets just to stay close to bankers. Then, for you to meet your opportunity, you go need to go close to them.
If you want to work for a company, you never still see all those companies call you. I beg, if you still start to sell Ororo for road, now still oil. No, serious. If you start to sell Ororo, you never can tell. Person where they work for oil company, go say, okay, I want to buy oil. I like the way they can package your oil. Oil now, oil, no change. Oil now, oil. Food, car, kerosene, oil.
All right. Let's move about our next story. Now, our next story concerns Yemi Alade.
Yemi Alade.
Yemi Alade. Yesterday, best people talk say, if I say Yemi Alade, na so Johnny she define.
Na me talk.
Okay, now you talk. Na so Johnny she define.
I say all her music, if like she define man for all the music, the tangerine, the Johnny, the Mossy, you go marry me.
I love it sweet like tangerine.
All right, so now Yemi Alade don't enter inside the internet, and this time she don't come outside talk say they don't hijack her Instagram account. Now she come outside talk say she lost control of the account February 13th, that one on Friday. Say the hackers don't they send some kind of messages them where people don't they open their eye on top of the messages. Now she enter inside Instagram, open another one, talk say please make una dey advice say Yemi Alade Instagram account say they don't hack am on top Friday the 13th of February 2015. He got us say the hacker they say that they post inappropriate pictures them, even caption, and they send message to our colleagues on top Instagram. And also they come to tell their fans say make you unfollow that account because now Yemi Alade don't open new account. Now one of the things where the hackers actually reveal on top this hacking of Yemi Alade account, now the conversation where she get with Fino.
Yeah.
Go.
Now the hackers, they say they try to do it in, they try to bring out some kind of personal conversation where they get with Fino, when she and Fino they do I love you, and I love you, and I love you on top Instagram. Now we also hear say Yemi Alade, she did currently for inside France for Valentine's Day concert. Now plenty of people don't they come outside talk say, it be like say there is something fishing in this water. Say it be like say Yemi Alade and Fino say true say that they date. Say make you not mind the kind of statement where she released talk, say, hey, they hacked my account, oh, they are faking it, oh, hey, it's not real, oh. Say real. Say true, say that they actually date. So talk, ladies, what do you feel about this one? You feel say Yemi Alade and Fino, they do swimming here together?
Well, me, I just feel saying no, because I actually read the conversation on Instagram. No be waiting go fish show for TV, so for no, because the word where the person they follow Fino, they talk. Fino actually reply and say, I know Yemi Alade. She no go follow me talk with you, they tell me so. Yeah. Because if I say, hey, what's up, boo? Like I chat you up now, what's up, B? How you day? I did fine, what's happening, what's chilling? Ah, where you day? You know, all those normal conversations. But when the conversation come, they go the next level. Fino actually talks, say no. Say he know the person, he know Yemi Alade, she dey more responsible past this thing where you dey follow me to talk. I know she'll say now she. Because say, what do you mean now, me now? Blah, 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 blah. Because say, the person, the contract, they say, okay, my proof to you. See my picture. Okay, but I say, get some pictures where they inside her, this thing, which is not like quick selfie. The person come post on to Fino. Fino can say, he can still reply like, but in they confused. You understand? You go understand, say, Fino no dey sure say na she before she can actually know say people don't actually hack am. And yesterday I talked to the owner of our record label, Efizi Media, because when I hear the thing, as I just call her and just tell me say I know why you are calling. I say because you got to talk about it. We want to know whether not true what's in the happen. You can't tell me say really. Say she not even in Nigeria. Yeah, say all of a sudden, he notice say the pictures where they post no be her because she know the rules. When you be media person, it gets waiting, you no go post. Say if we check all her old Instagram pictures, the pictures where they there no be waiting the people call you.
They not the dates, so,
no, she and Fino, I don't feel say anything they gone. I just work related. I just they talk work related because I'm not sure. I just feel.
So they no fit date.
They fit dates, but I just feel even if they date, no be waiting. Not two adults, no be children. You understand? Not two adults, but
no. But you feel say that they date, no, because you don't do your own research.
No. Yeah, she don't do her research, and because they feel the way she talk, I feel say so. If then they date, what happen? Like, we don't too grow, we don't too mature. We don't talk this thing before 1,001 times and we still come again. If you want the date person, I know what people made them know. Guess what kind you go just get that she go take down, nobody go mind, they go mind their business. Because I just feel say, there's really nothing. If you date the person, that time, we go still know at the end of the day. By the time we finally end up saying, I want do, I do. We go here and now be in a lie. So if they know they date, that they date,
so you believe say that they date?
If they date,
you believe say that they date according to the chat and everything. You
Good
believe?
luck to them.
Okay. Amaka there on the fence. She no jump, she hang.
Exactly. I just did.
Well, for me, Queen B, even though say you contact their own media people, the physical media, them, that if truly anything go on, they no contact you say yes, they actually go on because then they try to defend their artists. So for me, I feel say anything they possible. Maybe me don't actually offend person. Where say the person say you do me this thing, you go see, I go show you Pepe. Now they carry your phone, carry your Instagram, everything. Say oh yeah, now maybe they do them. And definitely, my own issue be say why be say na Fino then decide to choose. Plenty artists will be her friends there on top her contact list. Why they not choose another person? Why they not choose the band? Maybe choose Don Jazzy or someone else? Why be saying a particular
they actually send to other people. Now just the conversation where the person starts with Fino be that. He actually send messages to other people.
So now the one where we see
yes, now the
why be saying that Fino own them bring come outside?
Because that one respond to the person say I know this person more responsible person.
But why be saying that Fino own neither come on?
Maybe forget if I inside this industry, and if you happen to see one until it's deny until they marry.
Now for me, the only thing I would just put for that one be say I just feel I don't know why I just feel say na strategy too. Sorry to say, I don't say all the time with talking na strategy. I just feel say na strategy. How many times you don't go listen to the song where she sing with Fino? Because they just released collabo.
Okay.
I'm Fino. How many times? You don't go listen to him?
Which song they sing?
You see?
So now you get reason.
Which one they sing?
You get reason for you to go down.
So maybe for me, I just feel say not to let people know say, come on, I don't do collabo with Fino, taking over me, collabo with Fino. Make una go.
But if really not strategy, the person will advise on that thing, the person a bad person. Because they don't see another strategy to use now that kind.
Now you know they say bad publicity they spread fast.
Spread on.
But if not the date, kudos to you. Yeah.
Fino not fine boy.
Fino not fine girl.
Yeah,
fine girl.
Yeah,
you were there out there. Yeah, you were there out there. Put your mouth inside the matter. Enter Twitter at Wazobia. Go tell us what you think about this one. You feel say Yemi Alade and Fino that they swim here together. We they come back after this break.